Hello, 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 hello. I just want to wish you all a happy Christmas time, time for giving, time to forgive, time to reconcile, and time to be joyful, time to thank the Lord, and time to share. Today I'm in Auckland. I came for a divine service. It was a wonderful service where we learned, we were taught how to forgive others, and they talked about the late President Mandela. Uh, he was a man who left a legend here on earth, a man who united everyone. He's a man who showed the principles of being a Christian. He was incarcerated for 26 years in prison. But when he came out, he asked for reconciliation. He opened his hand to everyone, or even those who troubled him, even those who arrested him. Why? Because he had the heart. Even us as children of God and Christians, friends, let us forgive one another. Let us reconcile well, in advance, so that we can live a happy life. I think Mr. Mandela, even where he has gone, he has left an example. Let us also leave an example by forgiving one another. While we are on the forgiveness, we have to learn. We have to have an open heart to give, to forgive, to learn new things. So at Internet Lifestyle, we are learning new things, how to develop leadership skills, how to market ourselves, how to brand ourselves. We are all different individuals, but each one has got a talent that he can develop. So at Internet Lifestyle, many people are learning new skills. I'm one of the students who have just enrolled. Internet Lifestyle is come out of two gentlemen who came together to help everyone who wants to have a freedom to do anything in life. This Internet Lifestyle has attracted many, many, many people. There's now a community of many people who have come together to learn, and out of their learning, most of them are now earning around 2,000, 3,000. There are some who are earning about 25,000 per month. So if you would like to learn new things, new skills, join Internet Lifestyle, where we have caught different people from different backgrounds. If you want to learn more, you can even join our Facebook community and see for yourself that it's truly people are learning and people are developing themselves. People are enjoying. They can go anywhere because they have learned something that is special. To have freedom, to work at your own time, to work at your own pace, to go where you want to go because of this Internet Lifestyle. So you can join this Internet Lifestyle so that you learn more things. I'm telling you, it's a wonderful place where all the efforts of everyone is brought together so that you can make out of the learning situation and become a branding for yourself. So that was just a Christmas greeting for you, and this year is coming to an end now. Let us make steps to develop ourselves for the next coming year. We don't want to be slaves, always working, but let us be independent. Freedom from slavery, freedom from work, 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 work every day. Let us stay at home with our children, with family. Enjoy what you like to do. Don't become a slave of of work. So develop yourself so that we can be more productive, more um, you know, successful in life. So please, brothers, urge you come to Internet Lifestyle. Internet Lifestyle is a place where you would like to learn more things and see how you can develop your family, you can leave a legacy, you can enjoy. So I wish you all the best and God's blessings. Yeah, if you want to learn more, just go to the link there down here. Just go there, click there, register. It's very easy. You just register and learn more things. Okay, so see you inside. If you want to follow me, just join me. Oh, yeah. So bye bye. God bless you. We shall meet inside Internet Lifestyle. Okay, thank you. Bye. God bless. I love you all. I love you all. Okay, bye bye.